about my 2017 Chevy Silverado. Let's start with the basics. 2-inch leveling kit, auxiliary lights. Put an exhaust right here. The muffler delete, the resonator delete. I still kept the flapper in there to eliminate some of the droning sound. It's very still noticeable when it drops to the V4 mode. And I put this step hitch. I went ahead also got this Tiger trifold cover. As you can see, I got the Rally 1 edition. It is a 5.3 liter. One thing I've noticed when I was doing some of the installs here, I put the auxiliary button right here for the auxiliary lights. I don't know what Chevy was thinking when they installed this vehicle and put it together, because I think there's like 2 connectors, and I don't really know what they are supposed to be connected into. But if you can't see, there's like this connector right here, right there, right? And it connects, it controls nothing, but it's there. There's one there, and I know this connects to my lights, but this right here, right? What does that connect to? Because I have my auxiliary lights running through the side here, and that's that. But what is this? What is that? If you guys can tell me what that is, I'll be glad to know in the comments below, because I have no idea what that is. And one other thing too that I noticed on my Chevy is that I have a reverse camera. But it's not mentioned on the sticker. So I don't know what that means. You know, I talked to the Chevy dealership. They don't have an answer to that. I also went ahead, bought this from AutoZone. It's car seat cover, because it didn't come in black. So I think I picked up the pair for $60. Actually, wait, it's like $50 or $60 each. So if you guys are interested on that, go to your AutoZone dealership, pick that up. I also have a moonroof, so you guys can see. It is the extended cab, so I got a big bed, but you know, a small back seat. For what you get and what you ask for, it's a nice, solid truck. You know, I can't complain much.